here. I'm just going to do a little tutorial around how you can create a little basket beat rhythm for Tchaikovsky's Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. I've sort of remixed the track a bit, put a drum beat on it, so it just makes it a bit more clear where the basketball will match the track. So the sounds we're making, obviously we've got the bounce, and then we've got a tap, but we also have a bounce and a tap together in the ti-ti-ta. So that's the bit that's a little bit tricky. So we'll break it down into different parts. The first section, the A section, it's like got an A section, a B section, then back into the A section, okay? So the A section, the first part is just going to go ta, rest, okay? Really simple, it's just a bounce, and then a tap of the ball, and a bounce, okay? So it's going like ta, bum, 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 bum. Okay, so that's the first bit, and then the second bit is quick. It's going ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, and that's like a. Okay, so you probably want to practice those sections separately and then put them together. So it's like ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, bum bum bum, and then it finishes with a ta 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 rest. So the full rhythm for that little section is ta rest, ta rest, ta rest, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ta 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 rest. So when you're learning this, I would suggest clapping the rhythms or saying the rhythms first, then breaking it down beat by beat with the basketball, and then trying putting it together. I'll play the first little bit of the track so you can have a listen. Without the track, it's going ta rest, ta rest, ta rest, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ta ta rest. Okay, let's listen to that first little section with the track. So that's those 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the last little bit of part A. It's going bounce and tap, bounce and tap, bounce and tap, rest, rest, bounce, tap. So it's like a little 16 beater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, bounce, tap, rest. So the rhythm for that section, so I'm calling this sort of part section A, part 2, it's going ta rest, ta rest, ta rest, ta rest, then ta rest, rest, ta ta rest. So again, break that down, say the sounds, try clapping it, then trying it with the basketball. Okay, so I'll go through that. Ta rest, tap, rest, ta rest, tap, rest, ta rest, tap, rest, rest, rest. Let's try the full thing. So we've got this little intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Rest. Hop. So the B section is quite nice. It's quite easy. It's basically just bouncing to the beat. If we have a listen to that bit, just coming up here. just a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. And then this bit gets nice. Okay, so I'll break that a little bit down. So first of all, we just have a bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice and simple. Then it goes sort of, I suppose, double time. Bounce, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit like a kick in a dance track, okay? So we put those two bits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that happens twice, okay? And then the next bit, which is the bit I like, it's going like bounce, 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 tap. Okay, and that's a ta, 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 ta. Okay, we'll put those bits together with the track. So it's just at the end of section 8. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 2, and it repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, and then the fun bit. Okay, and then we have this little rest, and it's going to go back into the section A. 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, clap, bounce, ti-ti-ta, 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 and again, ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. That's the end.